Kia ora. We are learning to identify what a numerator and denominator is. Do you know what those words mean? A numerator is the number 3. So the word is highlighted red and the number 3 is red. But numerator doesn't mean every time you see a number 3 that is what the numerator is. If we have a look over at the image here, we can see that we have got 1, 2, 3 slices of pizza. So the numerator in this image is 3. The denominator here is the number 4 in this instance because this is the bottom number. And the 4 would make up for the 4th piece which is missing. Does that make sense yet? So the numerator is the number above the line. So that's this number here and this is the line. And how many pieces there are. So looking over at our image, we can see that there are 1, 2, 3 pieces of pizza. The denominator is the number below the line, which in this instance is the number 4, and it shows us how many equal pieces the whole is divided into. So this was a whole pizza, and it was sliced into 4 equal pieces of pizza. Does that make more sense? So the numerator is the number which is above the line of the fraction, and it tells us how many pieces we have. And in this fraction, we have 3 pieces, again using the number 3. And the denominator is the number below the line of the fraction, and it tells us how many pieces there are altogether. In this fraction, there are 4 total pieces. If we have a look at these unit fraction images, we can see that the numerator is the same for all of the shapes. But if you have a look at the shapes, the numerator is different sizes. So we've got a triangle, a square, we've got different pieces over here, and we notice that the numerator or the piece gets smaller and smaller, but the numerator number is the same. If we look at the bottom, the denominator is different for each of the unit fractions. Do you remember why the denominator is different? Yes, you got it. So this denominator, there are 2 pieces which make the whole shape. And there are 4 pieces which make the whole shape or the whole number or the whole set. What I want you to do before you come down to your workshop is find the numerators and the denominators of these pizza shapes before your workshop. Bring the answers with you. Remember, you can pause the flip video and go back as many times as you need to. Until next time.